Hey, what do you got in there?
Poker chips.
Throwing
them away.
Poker chips? Poker chips?
Poker chips.
Where we get these from?
They came off of that truck over there. Somebody got them from a job.
Oh, you're going to throw them away?
Well, yeah.
I bet they're worth some money.
Heck yeah.
I'll tell you what, let's take them and put them in Angie's area.
Hey, you know these are worth something.
Really? What
are they worth?
No kidding. So the $1,000 one, the $25 one, holy crap. They sold for $48. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I'm rich, bitch! Let's go.
So my name's Dave Lockwood, I'm with Removeitpros, and what we do for a living is we get stuff. We get junk and we get stuff from our demos and that, and we repurpose them. This is a very unique situation. We had one of my guys, he found some poker chips in a junk removal we did. The ironic thing about this is that the poker chips came from the dog track that's literally across the street from my shop. I witnessed them tear this down, I think it was a year and a half ago. They had these big gigantic excavators that were like 4 stories tall, and they chipped away at it for several months and they hauled it all away. Very interesting situation. So we do a junk removal, and the junk removal is one of our regular customers. He had a commercial building. They bought a bunch of stuff from one of the hotels that was going out of business. Maybe the one that was being torn down. I don't know exactly where they came from. He put all the stuff in this warehouse and he tried to sell it on Craigslist and eBay and stuff like that, and he got nowhere. He called us up, had us come and look at it. We gave him a good price to do it because we're going to repurpose a bunch of it. Kind of didn't really do that well on this particular junk removal. We found out why he couldn't sell them, because whoever he had moved the stuff, they didn't take very good care of it. So they were rough with it, and almost everything was scratched up or broken or something like that. So there were like 20 mattresses, king mattresses, there was like 20 dressers, 20 TV stands, 20 or so headboards, and so it was a bunch of stuff. So we bid this job out. I think we bid it out at like $3,500, figuring we were going to make some money on it. So I did get about 25 pieces, and we got some couches and chairs and stuff like that, and we stole a bunch of that stuff. Really didn't do as well on this as we thought we would. So come to find out, Dale's about ready to throw these in the dumpster, and I'm like, hey, what are those? He said, they're poker chips. I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool. Never dealt. Been doing junk removal stuff for a long time, been doing demo stuff for a long time, never ran into poker chips. I would assume that they were worth something. So they're kind of historic. The dog track was loved around here, and they made greyhound racing illegal, and that was before my time. I wasn't part of what created that. I wasn't aware of it or anything. We were busy, building this business. Ran them back to Angie. Angie looked them up. They're worth something. So we have them on eBay. They've been selling. Just this one and one of these sold for 48 bucks, which I think that's high. I don't think we're going to be getting that kind of money out of these. But we ended up, I counted them up, we have 3,300 of them. So what I'd like to show you is how we figured out what the value of them were and whether they were worth messing with. So we got 3,300 of them. This particular set that you see right here, we're going to give those to Angie's dad for Christmas. He just loved that place. He misses it. And this will really be a great gift for him. So he's going to get those, and that's the set that I have right here. Now here on eBay, we run under Reuseitpros, if you want to look up our eBay account. And basically the way that I would look these up is I would look them up and say, okay, I want to go Naples, dog track, and then put in poker chips. Okay, that's how we would look them up. So if you see here in the black, if you see the black, and we're going to put this on the screen as well. So the black means that's an asking price. So this one here is actually one of them that we put up for sale. What you're asking for something doesn't mean anything when you're trying to figure out what something is worth. So you go over here, you go to completed sales, and you look up the completed sales. So here are the completed sales on this. So this is a $1 chip. It's sold for $2.99. That's actually one of our listings. We sold that. Here's another one for $2.99. You might ask, why would that make sense? Well, it really doesn't, but it does. It does by this is why we do it this way, because they can click on here and they can go, I want 10 of them for $2.99. That's what we're looking for. Are there going to be people that buy one at a time? Yes. Is it cost effective? It's not crazy cost effective, except for we're already set up for it. Somebody already goes to the post office every day. Somebody always goes to UPS and goes to FedEx and all that every day, because we sell a lot of stuff on eBay. So something like this, I'd put it in just a standard first class envelope. I'd send it. It's going to cost us, you know, probably 10 cents for the envelope, 65 cents to mail it, you know, probably 20 minutes to print it off and to mail it out. So $2.99, $2.99. Here's a $5 one. We're selling those for $7.99. The $2 ones we're selling for $4.99, and these are all completed sales. Now this is that $48 sale that I was talking about before, and we're going to show all of these on the screen. So I don't get too terribly excited about a lot of the things we get, because I've been doing this for so long. However, these poker chips, I don't know what it is about them. They're just really cool. And the fact that they're actually worth some money is even better. I think that once we sell all of them on an average, I think we're going to be between $10,000 and $15,000. I think it might take a year or two to sell all of them. We have sold several sets of them at our shop in Bonita. Again, we're right across the street from the dog track. So thank you for watching our video. Subscribe, give us a like, and I'll see you on the next video.